Ron and I did a thing.
Yeah, we did a thing.
Yeah, we did a thing. The driver's side frame is one of the first areas that we need to address.
But it is. If it wasn't for underneath, it's probably fine. The side on this one's fine, I think.
So Ron is just painting with Pour 15. As you can see, it took a little tricky wrist to get that can open. So Pour 15 is what's going to go on now, and then that's it. And then undercoat.
Well, undercoat the body, not
Yeah.
really the frame.
Yep. This is the passenger side that Ron is just starting to paint. But they did a beautiful job on the frame repair. Very, very pleased with that. Thank you to the guys over at Terrace Steel Works for the frame repairs that they did for us. Fantastic job. Beautiful, clean. Couldn't be happier. So a huge shout out to you guys. Thank you. So there are some aspects to this Cinderella rebuild that we're doing, being the decals, the paint, some sanding, etc., that are not that exciting to probably watch. They're mundane tasks that are labor intensive, time intensive, but they're all part of the build that we're doing on this Delica. Not the sexiest outfit, I know. We got a lot of the rust dealt with. What we did was we rust eliminator, cleaned that off, topped it with Pour 15, 2 coats of that, and then now I'm going to put some rock guard along all the bottom, along the the door wells here, along the bottom of the doors. I'll let that dry for a couple of days, and then I'll cover it in white. So it's not going to stay black. I got some white already. Mud flaps are coming. License plate covers are coming. Decals are on their way. Shouldn't be too long, and we should get this bad boy on the road. That's the plan anyways. So last night we spent some time. Pour 15 under all the wheel wells. This one you already saw is done. Got the front kind of fixed up a little bit. Ron's got, in order to pass inspection, we do need to add daytime running lights. Ron will be doing that. Pour 15, Pour 15. I'm just going to take some time now, paper off so I don't get some overspray, and start painting. I've learned that you can't tape or cover areas around where you want to paint too much, because the overspray, you're outside, even a little bit of wind kind of sends the spray where you don't want it to go. So, fun fact, my brother is a body man by trade. And I know when he watches this, he is probably going to laugh and critique me. He'll say, no, I would never do that. He will. He'll be silently judging. That's okay. That's okay. I love him anyways. Alright, also got super cool little mirror. Where does this go? Well, as per our discussion before,
Right?
a mirror or GoPro?
Both. Both.
On the same.
Yeah, totally.
But whether I wanted to keep it on here or not, I'm going to paint it up and stick it back on there, and we'll see how it goes. But we're going to paint it the same as the lens covers. Delica came with these cute little lens covers. They don't do much good. They're pretty. What are these made out of? Like plastic. They're made out of plastic, and they've been touched up in so many different places. But they do say Chamonix on them, so they're super cute. What do you think?
Hmm?
What do you think?
What is that? Silver?
Yeah.
Oh, whatever.
It should be fine. Might try it on the other, the one that I don't want back on.
Yeah, I was just going to suggest that. Actually,
I think I'm going to paint these little covers. But this is one that's already broken and we're not going to put back on. I'm going to try it. Let's see. Oh, wow. That actually is really quite nice. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do that. Patience is not one of my virtues. I was hoping to wait till the Delica was off the trailer to start painting. Well, I wasn't hoping. I was going to. And I changed my mind and I decided to start painting while it was on the trailer. We're waiting for some brake pads to come in. They should hopefully be back in this week. And I just went ahead and started doing all the painting. The white is all done. I do need another coat of white on here. But that I will wait for, because there's a couple of things that I may have to touch up once we get it off. So I will work on that at that point. All right, so coming up in the next video, the seats are getting torn out. The brake pads finally came in today, so Ron will be doing those, which I'm going to do a follow-up. Definitely get him to talk to you about those brake pads, because he went out on a bit of a limb on them. Followed a post from what somebody else had suggested. So they're not Mitsubishi brake pads. Sorry, they are Mitsubishi brake pads. They're not Delica specific brake pads. He'll go into that better than I can. Mechanics are not my forte. That is his end of the whole Cinderella build. So that's coming next. Once those get on, tires go back on. The tires that we're currently putting on are actually, funny enough, they are Dunlop Winter Force or something tires. They're exactly what you would buy in Canada. Unfortunately, they don't say DOT approved. So therefore, we're going to swap them out for actually a little more grippy or aggressive tire that I'm kind of excited about. Looking at sourcing a roof rack for this thing. I need to get the feet sorted out and the bars, because the rails, because there is no bars on. No, there are no rails on here. There are no rails on the Delica, so I need to get the proper feet for the channel that's on the side and the crossbars that go across, obviously, so that we can put a roof rack up there and carry some who knows, extra stuff. And I'm going to be 100% honest with you. Part of it is aesthetics. I love the look of it. And I think it will come in handy down the road, because I do not want to put the spare tire back underneath the Delica. Not if we're going in the bush and in the mud and the crud. I don't want a spare tire underneath the Delica. I want it either on the roof, unless we mount it to the back. But I do have my mountain bike to consider, that I want to have it in here somehow as well. Lots to consider. But our first priority is get this sucker on the road, get it inspected, so we can start really delving into putting the back build in, and get this to where it's usable. That's the Delica so far. We will keep you updated, and on the next one, hopefully we'll have it back and we'll start putting the front end back. All right, talk to you later. Bye.